Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to save videos from Google Drive to Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Google Drive has been opened. Now what you have to do is simply locate the video. Find the specific video that you want to download. Once you find it, what you have to do is tap on the three vertical dots that you can see right next to that video. Now you'll be able to find the options like share, manage access, add to start, etc. What you have to do is find the option for download and tap on it. Now you can see over here the item will be downloaded. You can check the notification in order to monitor its progress. You can see over here it has been downloaded. Now once the video has been downloaded, the video will be saved to your phone's gallery app or Google Photos. So simply open your phone's gallery app or Google Photos. Here in my case, I'm opening Google Photos. Now you can see over here the video has been downloaded. So that is how you save videos from Google Drive to Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.